In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to locate Steam games already installed that you have backup, no download needed. So just locate your Steam app. So I've located Steam apps, and then go to common. Then there is your games. So I have to choose half sword demo and paste it so that it will say in Steam library that I didn't install. So let's wait for this copy, and I usually rename it after. So after the copy, I renamed it, and I deleted the original, and also I renamed my copied version as the original. And as you can see, just locate your Steam game, and the game will automatically validate if your game is there. So as you can see in my screen, it will automatically validate the game, or it will usually recovers the game, and that's it.